I have the same problem. Bought a swag kit at Home Depot to attach to a chandelier that I'm hanging from a hook. All advice says white to white wire, black to black, but the wires of the swag kit are the same color. There's no discernible difference. What do I do?
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer. If you look very closely at the two coated wires from the swag kit, you may be able to see very small ridges that run along the length of one of the wires. If so, that's your neutral, white, wire. Are you able to see the ridges?
One side of the plastic around the two wires is rounded while the other has a slight edge. Is that the ridge you mean?
Most likely, yes. Can you post the brand name and model number of the swag kit? I just noticed you already posted it. One moment please.
Westinghouse 77003.
Perhaps we can simplify this. Does your fixture have a white wire coming out of it?
Yes.
Okay, great. If you connect one of the swag wires to the fixture's white wire, and then follow that wire for the entire length from the fixture to the ceiling box, then connect it to the white at the ceiling, basically making sure the swag wire doesn't get twisted. For easy identification of it at both ends, you'll have the right fixture wire connected to the right ceiling wire. Then, simply connect the other swag wire at each end and you'll be all set.
No. That won't work. There is no ceiling box, just a chandelier that I'm rewiring to be plugged in.
Oh, we'll plug into an outlet.
Yes.
Sorry about that. Let me rethink this answer. I looked up the swag kit on Home Depot's website, and all it shows is the chain.
Yeah, I know. Useless. It's a clear-coated cord that doesn't seem to have any markings on it, and the directions say follow your fixture's instructions.
Does the swag wire have the male plug already connected to one end of it?
Yes.
Is it a two-prong male plug? If so, is one of the blades wider than the other?
Yes and yes.
Okay, the wider blade is the neutral prong. That should line up with the wire that's supposed to be white.
Which color does that correspond with? Ah. Okay, also, there are only two wires on the swag kit, so I was going to cap the ground wire from the fixture. A, is that the right thing to do, and B, can I use a butt splice to cap it?
Yes, that should be fine. I've seen swag kits with a small bare copper wire that runs through the chain with the coated wire. I think it looks a little tacky, personally. Since you only have two wires, I would do whatever is necessary with the fixture ground wire.
Back to the first bit, the wider blade is also the ridge side as you originally thought, just so you know.
Okay, very good.
So cap the copper with the butt splice. Or use a regular cap.
Either way will be fine. Whatever is easier for you. Just make sure the end of it can't get into one of the other splices.
Great. Thanks for your help. Okay, good to know.
You are most welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you?
I don't think so. Not sure, though, as I've never done this before. Guess I'll just have to pay again if I get stuck. Smile.
Well, if you get stuck on this same project, just reply to this thread at no additional charge, unless you want to pay again for the same project. Thanks so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.